Rapunzel. What are you doing?
But that's what Avery said she was. Yeah.
Okay, do we start with the youngest?
Yes.
Oh, Grace.
And go
You get to
to
go
me
first. You
first.
first. You want me to help you open that?
And then me
Open your present. You can open your present.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
We're gonna watch you.
She's mine.
Who's it from, Gru?
I like the guys on your thing.
They're
Owls.
They're girls.
Oh, okay,
It's
her.
not
The
guys.
school fundraiser paper.
Yeah.
Yay.
Which I still
What's the
have
matter? Is this
the baby stuff. It's like green and pink. I still use that.
This is our paper from our house. You got some cool Merrill shoes, aren't you?
Nice. That's right.
Awesome.
Here, let me help you right there.
That's
That's
how
a-
I'm recycling all my boxes.
See this tape right there.
Nobody gives boxes.
What is it?
What
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Oh.
Is it the Rapunzel dress?
I want to put it on.
Of course you do.